Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to review software. Now when I say software, majority of designers out there are thinking about, let's say, Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, or stuff like that, which is software of course, but you can review all of these other softwares, for example, for video editing, for photo editing, for reducing the sizes of your photos, for optimizing the text, for optimizing mockups, for creating all of these different things. And majority of those software companies have affiliate programs which you can join, and then whenever you refer a sale from your video or your blog post or your Facebook community or Instagram post or wherever, you create that content and put it out there. So no matter what you created, you can include affiliate link to that particular piece of software, and then when they purchase, you are going to get a cut from that sale. It's going to be different from affiliate program to affiliate program, but generally it goes anywhere between, let's say, 5% for Amazon affiliates, and I think it's even lower, maybe it's 4%, all the way to 50 and even sometimes 60% depending on the software in question. Make sure to select which kind of review are you doing. Is it a short review like these videos are right here, for example 3 minutes or 4 minutes or something like that? Is it a long review, for example 30 minutes or 1 hour? Or is it a series of videos where you go in depth about each feature of the software you are reviewing? And make sure to create playlists so people can easily find it and scroll to different playlists and watch the videos they are really interested in. I did this when I started this channel, and I created a Adobe XD basics tutorial and basics course and simply put it up on YouTube, created a playlist, and then I realized which kinds of things inside of Adobe XD really interest people, so that I can focus more about creating videos for those specific topics that interest people, because I know that by the amount of views these videos are getting, and also by the amount of comments, by the amount of watch time, because YouTube gives you all of these great analytic tools, and you can really see where people are leaving your videos, what they really like, what they don't like, what they understand, what they don't understand. You can see all of that, and you can also see where your audience is coming from, at which time should you post your videos, when are they most active, and all of these different things. So basically when you review software, you have to adjust it for the channel you're trying to put your reviews at. So if it's a Facebook, make sure to understand Facebook. If it's a YouTube, make sure to understand YouTube and how it works. And if it's a forum, if it's your personal website, make sure to form it in such a way that it works with your audience and that it works with what you are creating. Then later on, when you start getting some traction, you're going to be approached by these different brands, and you are going to be able to reach out an agreement with those brands, for example, to create a paid review. So you're going to be paid upfront to create this review, or to create a custom course, or to create a custom payment structure in that affiliate program of theirs. So for example, if the company is giving, I don't know, for example 5% to every affiliate, maybe you are a great affiliate, you're bringing them a lot of value and a lot of money, maybe you can reach an agreement for 20% or 30% or something like that. Also, Some companies are going to help you out by creating these different offers for different products that they are creating. Maybe sometimes with Filmora, that's the case. For example, they have a video editing software, but majority of people out there don't realize they also have a PDF software, they have image optimizing software, audio optimizing software, and so much more. So you can integrate your reviews with all of these other softwares by simply increasing your potential about the sale inside of those affiliate softwares, and also increasing your potential about being approached by these different companies, and let's say Filmora in this case. Because when you start creating, maybe you don't understand and you don't realize about all of these potential paths it can take you, but just make sure to explore, make sure to start creating, make sure to see where this is going and where this is taking you, and then you are going to be able to form not just your structure of your videos, for example, should they be long or short, but also should you go into really fine details about all of these different softwares, make it sort of like a course, or should you be really vague and explain the whole software in a 3-minute video, for example. See what works for you, but to understand that, you have to start creating, you have to start putting yourself out there, and you have to see what works and what doesn't in order to adjust it for the future. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much, much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.